Hey guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how to play There Was This Girl by Riley Green. It's 4 chords. You have to tune down half a step. So to do that, you're just going to turn on your tuner here, press the flat button once, and then that will let you tune each string down 1/2 a step. So the chords in this song are D, G, A, and B minor. And if you want to know the little intro lick, I made a video how to do that as well. So I'm just going to play through the song and you guys can kind of see where the chords are, how they're played, and when they're played and stuff. All right, well, hopefully you guys learned something from this. Also, I'll have my guitar and my microphone and my audio stuff linked down in the description below if you want to check it out. See you later.